Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but you guys know what time it is. You're looking at the title. We're going to be discussing everything Bonk today, see what is happening with the price of Bonk, and of course, what we could be expecting as we do go further into this upcoming week ahead of us. So, today is a really big day, specifically for Bonk, and of course, the reason as to why I'm saying this is because, Bonk is retesting its all-time highs as of recording this update. So, of course, as I've mentioned, in this upcoming week ahead of us could be really decisive, and there could be a chance that we do see Bonk breaking towards an all-time high. We did see Pepe do that. We saw so many other coins do that, and I think Bonk is about to do the same. But if we're looking at a majority of the markets today, as we are closing out March 3rd, you're seeing some coins that are in the red. And the reason as to why this is the case is because over the past few days, what we were noticing is that the dominant index was going down, which was giving a lot of altcoins, this push that we have been seeing over the past few days, especially meme coins to be specific. Solid, altcoins had their initial run, and now, we're seeing a meme coin season really taking place. But then, what I'm thinking is, later, I think in quarter 3 and quarter 4, that's when we're going to see that next leg up, where we will see massive amounts of growth in terms of the entire market. But overall, things are looking quite great. We could still see more upside in the upcoming days ahead of us. But if we're looking at Bonk, it's up 37.7% on the daily time frame, and on the weekly time frame, it's up 172%, guys. So during these times, you don't want to take this for granted. You're looking at the entire markets right now. The overall sentiment is mega bullish, and when the overall market is extremely bullish like this, you need to realize that the fear is really low. So a lot of people are getting greedy, but what you want to be doing is you want to be analyzing your portfolio and seeing, if the profits are too high, you want to take those profits. You want to be looking at it on the monthly time frame. If you're looking at it on the monthly time frame, you're seeing a massive altcoin season really taking place right in front of our eyes, especially for meme coins. You can see WIF up 600%, Pepe up 600%, Bonk up 200%. So, of course, even if the upside is way higher, you don't want to miss out on the gains. When the corrections do occur, you don't want to have the conversation with yourself, I missed out, I should have locked these profits in. This is why times like this is the best to actually lock some profits. But if you're looking at Bonk right now, I think it has more upside, and I'm going to explain as to why that's the case. But before I do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So we're still seeing about 4 zeros in front of the price of Bonk, currently sitting at 32.22, and we're 36.4% in both comparatives, Bitcoin and USD comparative. Looking at its market cap, is currently sitting at $2.1 billion, with the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at 900 million. And we're going to be focusing a little bit more on the 24-hour trading volume. It isn't above that $1 billion mark, and I think as we do approach this upcoming week ahead of us, as it breaks its all-time highs, we could see that number rising as well. But what you're seeing happening is something quite interesting, and of course we've been focusing on this over the past few days. What you're seeing is a battle going on with the two of the biggest giants in terms of meme coins, in terms of presence in community, and overall, the amount of holders that are actually holding these specific meme coins for this specific cycle. So what you're looking at is Pepe and Bonk. They both are having a battle. Pepe just broke out of its all-time high and has extreme level of bullish momentum on its side right now, creating a higher all-time highs after all-time highs, because pretty much seeing the price in price discovery mode, and the demand is not slowing down, which is pushing the price even higher. But what you're looking at is very close battle between the two. Bonk at $2.1 billion market cap, Pepe at $2.7 billion market cap, and I think both of these can battle it out. Not just this leg that we're seeing right now, but even when we do see further legs, even after the halvening does take place. So really interesting battle going on. You guys know my overall stance on which coin I think actually has the chance to take over Shiba Inu. In my personal honest opinion, I think Bonk has everything for itself to actually pull those numbers, because of course, number one, the way they're engaging, the way they're doing massive giveaways. And speaking about giveaways, some people that were eligible to receive the Bonk giveaway, I'm sorry, not giveaway, the airdrop, which took place, I believe, Q3 to Q4 of last year. Those same exact allocations that some people got are worth $40,000 to $50,000 at this time. So of course, that is really nice to see, and obviously, Solana ecosystem's growth that we're seeing at a tremendous rate is going to push Bonk, in my opinion, towards some of these highs. But you're looking at the overall meme coin market, guys. It's approaching $50 billion in terms of its entire market valuation. Meme coins definitely are having their time right now. Just look at it on the last 7 days time frame. You're seeing some insane life-changing gains being made as far as meme coins are concerned. So that is of course really nice to see. But now let's take a look at none other than our good old friend Bitcoin dominance. If you're looking at Bitcoin dominance index, it's of course it's going up a little bit. And the reason as to why we're seeing a little bit of an uptick in the dominance index over the past few hours is because Bitcoin has also seen a bounce. And guess what? Bitcoin was able to hit a new yearly high. Yes, you've heard that correct. Just over the last few hours, we saw Bitcoin hitting a new yearly high, which is really bullish. And of course, as you guys know, I said, if we're able to go into this upcoming week ahead of us with this momentum, we could see Bitcoin pushing up to $48,820 major resistance. So at this time, guys, it seems like March will be where we do see an all-time high, which is about a month away before the halving takes place. So of course, excitement is definitely in the air, and this kind of explains as to why we're seeing a little bit of a bounce in Bitcoin dominance index. But let's take a look at Bonk. If you're looking at Bonk, guys, literally just see this for yourself. We're coming across the major resistance back on December 15th. All-time high was at 34.90, and we're really close to that. If you want to put this into perspective, in order for us to actually hit an official all-time high, that's a move of about another 8.29% from where we currently are. But let's not forget how much this is up over the past 1.5 weeks. We're seeing Bonk go up 200% literally over the past 2 weeks alone. And of course, right now, I do think that Bonk is going to replicate a move as to what we have seen with Pepe, because of course, like I said, both of them are massive meme coins, with massive amounts of market caps as well as huge holder count. And you do need to realize as well the fact that it's retesting all-time highs. This is going to attract more attention organically, because of course, as a matter of it's just a matter of time until we do see the price discovery mode. And of course, once we enter the price discovery mode, that's where the excitement really kicks in, because there's no resistances, no support. The price can go up depending on how much demand there really is. Usually during all-time highs, demand is quite high. So very interesting things playing out for Bonk right now. I think even after I upload this video, we could potentially see a new all-time high. But the question that I get on a day-to-day basis is which one is better, in my opinion, Pepe or Bonk. But again, what I say on this channel is my personal opinion. I personally think Bonk is more superior because number one, the team, the way they do giveaways, and absolutely the way they engage with the overall community. But of course, time is going to tell. I'm going to do a full in-depth update. We're going to go over all the meme coins that a lot of people actually talk about, and I'm going to share my personal thoughts as to which one I think will be the leader in the upcoming bull run that we're already in. It's not even upcoming at this point. So that's that. So far so good. This is absolutely insane. We're about to see an all-time high, and I think we could see the price of Bonk reaching a $3 billion market cap, which would put it in the top 50 ranks for the crypto space. But of course, time is going to tell. Do let me know in the comments down below what you guys personally think. I think we're coming very close where we will see consolidation happening, because nothing is going to go straight up forever. I hope you guys realize that. So far what you're seeing is the prices are just absolutely exploding. I think the parabolic cycle does not start until we do go into quarter three and quarter four, as I've mentioned. But of course, time is going to tell. That is the major component that we need to keep in mind. But we're approaching the levels where you do need to kind of start questioning, hey, where is this move going to start consolidating? And I think once we do reach the $3 billion market valuation, I think we might start seeing a little bit of a cool off for the markets, unless Bitcoin breaks out towards an all-time high. Then we're having a different conversation. But do let me know down below what you guys personally think. Thank you so much for all your support. We'll see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.